This short video will demonstrate how to convert a standard surface-mounted, two-roll, side-by-side tissue dispenser to a high-capacity bath tissue dispenser using the Tork Type D replacement spindles. There are 4 different Tork replacement spindles to select from. In this case, the Type D replacement spindle is the best option. There are 2 Type D replacement spindles in each kit, along with the loading instructions. The kit also includes 4 bushings. The 4 bushings are not required for this specific dispenser because the replacement spindles fit perfectly in the dispenser without bushings. The Tork Type D replacement spindle is a 2-piece spring-loaded spindle. Remove the hub from the shaft and insert the shaft into a roll of Tork high-capacity bath tissue as demonstrated. Next, insert the hub onto the shaft. Next, load the spindle onto the dispenser. Take another Type D replacement spindle and repeat the steps. For best results, both rolls should be loaded to dispense over the top, also known as waterfall. The 4 bushings are required if the openings in the dispenser arms are larger than the end caps of the Type D replacement spindles. First, clean the area before applying bushings, ideally with an alcohol pad. Then, install the bushings as demonstrated. After the bushings are secured in place, take one of the Type D replacement spindles. Remove the hub from the shaft and insert the shaft into a roll of Tork high-capacity bath tissue as demonstrated. Next, load the spindle onto the dispenser. Take another Type D replacement spindle and repeat the steps. For best results, both rolls should be loaded to dispense over the top, also known as waterfall.